Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, according to my recommendation, I will also add a best UI UX course in the description which covered all the parameters and all the fundamentals related to UI UX you can check out from there. So let's start with the review. This is the advanced program UI UX design course from most popular institute Arena Animation in Gujarat. It's a UI UX course and it's an advanced program UI UX design course. This is the overview of the UI UX and fundamentals, and this is the advantage of industry of UI UX in India, and this is about the UI UX, and this is the course structures like term 1 what they are going to teach, digital design principles, ethics, Gen AI, case studies, design your digital presence, website designing, and these are the career opportunities after the course UI UX researcher, and these are the software covered: Photoshop, Illustrator, Forms, Figma, Maze, user testing, Visify, Firefly, WordPress, and rest this is good. Overall, the course is okay-ish, like not 100% good because they didn't mention any AI tools according to their name, as Arena Animation is most popular institute in India, but they didn't mention any course related to AI tools and Adobe Sketch, Adobe XD, and also didn't any details or depth in the UI UX course in these fundamentals also, as also they didn't provide any 100% surety in placement option, course fees or course value. So it's a 50-50 for me. I'm not getting a 100% vibe on this course. So let's give a rating according to these parameters. If we go with the curriculum depth, it's a 0.5 because structure is missing. UX fundamental is again 0.5. UI design quality again 0.5. Hands-on project is there. Case studies didn't mention. It's again 0.5. Tools and software training, it's again 0.5. Mentorship and feedback is again 0.5. Portfolio development, they didn't mention any help in portfolio development, so I would give 0.5. Placement and career support, as they already do placement, but they didn't mention any 100% support in placement options, so it's a 0.5. If we course values and fees, it's a 0.5 again. Industry relevance and updates, it's again 0.5 because it's not a 100% course, because it's not looking future oriented, because many AI tools are there in the market which need to be covered in this course. So if we go with this, it's a 5.5 out of 10. So it's an average course. Like according to Arena Animation, I'm not expecting this from their page. Overall, the UI quality of that page is also not looking good. There are many better courses in the market which covered all these parameters and covered all the AI tools and which are future oriented course. Also, according to my recommendation, I will suggest a best UI UX course. I will add in the link in the description. You can check out from there, which cover all the weightage related to UI design, hand-on projects, tools and AI tools specially, and portfolio placement, industry relevance, which covered all and help in the mentorship, feedback, portfolio development, which can guide you in the placement support after the course. You can check out the link in the description. Also, if you have any query related to course, related to enrollment, related to portfolio building, you can drop a comment. Thank you.